Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all.
The apps I typically use on a daily basis are very practical and help me save time and energy. That's one of the main goals of this show. So I thought it would be perfect to share one of my favorite apps, Instacart. This app is my little helper. If you're not familiar with Instacart or never tried it, the app is for grocery and retail shopping and delivery. Like someone delivering you a pizza, a shopper on Instacart goes to the physical store, shops for you, and delivers it to your door. Curbside pickup is also available at certain stores. After installing and creating an account, you can choose between hundreds of stores to shop from. Once you have selected your store, my go-to is Aldi, you start your shopping list by searching for items and adding them to your list. Once your list is complete, you can start the checkout process. Here you choose delivery or pickup. For pickup, you select the store location and the pickup time. I will admit I've only used delivery. If you select delivery, add the address, special instructions, time of delivery, phone number, and payment method. Thankfully, Instacart saves your information, so you won't need to enter it every time. The delivery times are determined by windows: priority, standard, 2-hour window, and 3-hour window. These may vary depending on the time of day and demand. If you choose priority, depending on the store and items, you can get your order within an hour, though it costs $2 extra. Standard will deliver your order within 2 to 3 hours of your checkout time. If you create your list in the morning and select a 3-hour window later in the day or the next day, you get $2 off your order. Once you place your order, you can add new items to the list until shopping begins. If your shopper is working on multiple orders at the same time, you can add new items while they shop until they check out. The app will let you know when the shopping begins and when the delivery's estimated arrival time is. One of my favorite features is the chat. In the chat, your shopper can let you know if the store is out of a certain item and ask if you want a replacement for a similar item. You can pre-select replacements for out-of-stock items or select if you just want a refund before shopping starts. But sometimes the shopper still asks you in the chat while they shop, or they don't look at your replacement list at all. Unfortunately, you can't choose your shopper, but you can view your shopper's rating and are able to rate and review your experience after the delivery. Your order can be picked up by anyone working in the area. I'm lucky that most of the shoppers in my area are fast and efficient. One time, a shopper left a thank you note for me in the grocery bag. It was a sweet gesture that really made my day. A couple of months ago, I used Instacart in a different city, and the shopper was over an hour late for the 2-hour window. So the experience does vary depending on how responsible and efficient your shopper is. If an item is missing from your order, Instacart will give you your money back with little fuss. That's happened to me a few times, and I always got my refund as credit on the app or the money added back onto my payment method. The app may save you time and energy, but it won't save you money. There is a delivery fee, sales tax, and a tip for the shopper. After doing some research, I found that many stores do mark up the prices of products by an average of 15%, but some may be higher or lower. Personally, I know since it's a convenience service, I will be paying a little extra. If this is an app you use a lot, there is a paid version called Instacart Plus. This is $99 a year or $9.99 a month. With this, you get free delivery on orders above $35, lower service fees, and other perks. Looking back at a previous order I made using the free version of Instacart, the delivery fee was $3.99. So if I make more than 2 orders a month, I'd save money by signing up for Instacart Plus. They do offer a 2-week free trial if you want to check it out yourself. One way I save time with Instacart is by creating my grocery list before work or on my lunch break, and scheduling it for a 2-hour window starting at the time I get home. That way, if I need specific ingredients for dinner or if my fridge is empty, groceries will be delivered to my doorstep. You can also make the order a gift. I've done this before if a long-distance friend or family member wasn't feeling well. I could send them an order of essentials like tissues, soup, tea, and medicine. Or maybe they just had a bad day and needed a lot of ice cream and candy. Of course, the app isn't perfect and experiences may vary, but overall, I've had a very positive experience with it. Instacart is available for free download on iOS, Android, and on web browser. If you have a favorite app that you want featured on the show, you can send us an email at asgpodcast@ritterim.com. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode.